ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know.
Hello, what is up to you guys? Once again, welcome back to another vlog. We are going at our field. Yeah.
And mobile data is coming. We will solve it there.
And yeah, it's 3:51 p.m. So today we'll go at our field and we'll sleep there for the night. And tomorrow we have so many work like cutting down the firewood and all those. We'll do whatever the work is there. So yeah.
Yes, another day, another evening,
Yeah,
and another outlook. See,
just like you suck. A long way to go.
more
We'll go down there. We are taking the long road since we just wanted to walk through the road, not taking the step. See? Yeah.
Just show the view of it.
Okay. Let me.
This is the wheel of paddy field, not ours.
All right. We finally reached our destination. It was a kitty gorda. Last time we did it. Only we did it.
Aro movie boss nandun na siya. Where kanda na? Inauti. Hey! Wah!
Come on. 1, 2, 3. Mojin do war cry do power grow lên na bre. Tai do chani de mojin no na moi.
Ita to
Hello one cry.
tama khangi mo.
Hello one cry. Bro itu kuli tama wala to. Oh shit. So tonight we are gonna sleep here, and yeah, it's so clean. So, all right. Mojun ajirati cholawo karni itedo cho kuri chutu na tokra kanna iton katiwo katena ajirati chulai bole je. So we'll be working and just keep on watching us till the end. Poo. Yeah. Itu chulai bo ajirati. What we got right now, see, actually this bird escaped from the trap. Này, sao tôi itu ane pura itu kila jire ajo. Ah, murumi lagi aja kau boleh sih. Sao tôi?
Saya kiba khabole mangi.
Oi, try this cat but itu jire aja nih. Sabi. Ayah, ano? Ayah, lovely bird. Ayah ko. Facebook lagi sulat sabi tu It's camerized though. Ayah. Yeah, so it's already dark outside, and see, we are still cooking now. We are still cooking now. Yeah, it's already dark outside. See? So, okay, we are about to make mukbang Right, so mate. Yeah, we are about to make
Okay.
mukbang vlog.
It's starting time. 7:03.
Yeah.
Mungkin lah pas habis itu itu mana sih? Di sibuk lagi sih.
Chưa.
Pati
Itu
olok.
sih.
Juli sih.
Iku nói.
Banana.
Oi.
Ini jungle itu. Itu
Itu
pasti
aja.
banyak na.
Oi. Itu chutney aja, itu gila chutney aja. Rasanya lebih. Itu chutney bi tambah-tambah deh sih.
To au holan na.
Koi, aro itu mendita je akidi mojin chari dia do wapas aise to ya wapas aise likili chari go na mojin morai tikina dita da mojin da peti jabo to je
Dai ke लिए की जानी?
ki jani naibi goje aro जबरदस्त aje ki guru na ki
Map साफ में.
oi
Map नहीं.
why he's being so close to us, I don't know.
साफ. Map साफ.
To get inside our stomach.
Dia tu pat खाओ.
So, 1, 2, ऐसे तो ये जो ना आलू आरो चटनी एक लाई जे उदी भी नहीं खाई जाओ ने
Itu ada. Nah. Pas na. Itu hamnya.
टेस्ट यो दे टेस्ट यो
Tu ya.
거의 모두 올리비 가고 여기
Apa?
먹어 아이비 게마 셔스 달리 두비야 넘버 1 시즌 넘버 1 달리
Mới tại cái liver offer của siêu liver tại ứ của chứ.
아 몰라 거다 거듭 나 아기들 내 가야 돼
Cái liver này, mỗi cái bị khẩu lên mồm rồi na.
it's hot. My tongue already gets thick. So, ini akai jole na. Kita ni school bija oleh baru na nai. Sabji tu aku jalan nai. Chutney jalan sih chutney.
Chutney besi salah sih.
Itu tu mata dewi dia sih tu.
Kadunda. I don't know. Where's my cup? Okay. Ubay na. Cook. Kalo cook kayo. Ubay na because of over spicy. Because of handle the hardness.
Left đi. Cũng rồi bị phát đi cốc tôi nãy thấy cái liver.
But we do. 밥 칼 것도 먹고 이제 그래 나 이때도 뭐좀 레스 그래지. We are cooking collar for tomorrow morning. It's high time to sleep. Okay, peace out. We'll see you in the morning. Oh, all right. It's good morning. And yeah, it's 7:55 a.m. in the morning. And yeah, we have a lot of work. And we slept for too long. Yeah, let's wake up and get into the work. Okay, so right now we are just sitting on a fire. Like the cooking stuff and all those, it's already done, and we are about to have food right now. Yeah, after that we'll get back into the work. Down here, a lot of things to do, so we'll do. Let's have food.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's almost done, so we'll have food. Yeah, let's go. See you guys.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Alright, so more hot college and yeah, having a cup of tea. We're gonna move right now after a short period of time. Just finish up with all the work down there, so we'll be leaving soon. It tastes good. Okay, right now we are on the way. Yeah.
खोली गंदो काटे ना कारी दी पता दिशे इतना मुझे तो ठीक बचा है
When you grow, boy's life is not that much easy.
anyway thank you so much for viewing our
I
videos.
smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.